Ever wondered why we get hiccups? Let's dive into the science behind this quirky bodily function. Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe. These contractions cause a quick intake of air, which is abruptly stopped by the closing of the vocal cords, producing the characteristic hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by a variety of things such as eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or experiencing sudden excitement or stress. Sometimes they occur without any apparent reason at all. Did you know the longest recorded case of hiccups lasted for 68 years? Imagine that. So, next time you hiccup, remember it's just your diaphragm having a little spasm. Like and subscribe for more.